The holidays are a good time to buy a smartwatch. If you're thinking about upgrading your current Apple Watch or buying an Apple wearable for the first time, you may be considering the new Apple Watch Series 10. But you might wonder how it stacks up against last year's Series 9, which can often be found at a much lower price. The Series 10 starts at $400 in the US, just like the Series 9 did at launch. There are some key differences between these variables, namely, the Series 10 offers a bigger screen and larger case sizes, plus it has a new voice isolation feature and can play music aloud on the speaker. Keep watching for an even closer look at how the Series 9 and 10 compare. The Series 10 has the biggest screen of any Apple Watch yet. It's available in two new sizes, a 46mm and a 42mm option. That 46mm option is even slightly larger than the Apple Watch Ultra. The Series 9, on the other hand, comes in a 45mm and a 41mm option. Apple says that a bigger Series 10 display gives you up to 30% more screen area compared to the Series 4, 5, and 6, and up to 9% more screen area compared to the Series 7, 8, and 9. In everyday use, that means you can have an extra line of text on your watch or up your font size without losing content. Buttons for things like the calculator app and typing in your passcode are bigger too. The Series 10 is also brighter. Both the Series 9 and 10 have a maximum brightness of 2000 nits, but the Series 10's wide-angle OLED makes the screen 40% brighter when viewed at an angle. The Series 10 also has an LTPO3 display that can get down to a 1 Hz refresh rate, allowing a ticking second hand to appear on the always-on display. Not only is the LTPO3 not offered on the Series 9, but it's rare to see on smartwatches in general. It's more commonly found on premium smartphones like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Series 10 is also the thinnest Apple Watch ever. It's 9.7mm thick, while the Series 9 is 10.7mm thick. That's about a 10% difference. The Series 10 comes in aluminum and titanium finishes, while the Series 9 is available in aluminum and stainless steel finishes. Both the aluminum and titanium Series 10 models are lighter than the equivalent Series 9 models. The Series 10 offers faster charging than the Series 9. Apple claims that going from 0% to 80% takes around 30 minutes on the Series 10 and 45 minutes on the Series 9. Apple also says that the batteries on both the Series 9 and 10 lasts up to 18 hours or up to 36 hours in low power mode. The Series 10 has a voice isolation feature which isn't found on the Series 9. It's meant to reduce background noise as you take calls. The Series 10 also allows you to play music aloud on the speaker, while the Series 9 doesn't. Both Series 9 and 10 are water resistant and swim proof, but the Series 10 has a depth gauge rated for 6 meters and a water temperature sensor not available on the Series 9. The Series 10 also has the Oceanic Plus app for snorkeling, while the Series 9 doesn't. The Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10, and Ultra 2 have a new tool for detecting potential signs of sleep apnea. It uses the accelerometer along with Apple's algorithms to recognize possible breathing disturbances as you sleep. The sleep apnea feature comes with watchOS 11, which ships on the Series 10 and is also available from the Series 9. Additionally, watchOS 11 brings a new Vitals app that monitors important metrics as you sleep, like heart rate, respiratory rate, and wrist temperature. The app will highlight these metrics if they're abnormal and notify you if you have 2 or more outliers. With watchOS 11, both wearables also allow you to pause your rings to take an activity break. It's also worth noting that the watchOS 11 is available as an update for older Apple Watches dating back to the Series 6 and the second generation SE. Beyond the new tools that come to the Series 9 and 10 with watchOS 11, these wearables share many of the same features you may already be familiar with, like high and low heart rate notifications, emergency SOS, and fall and crash detection. In short, the Series 10 offers a bigger, brighter screen and larger case sizes while being thinner and lighter than the Series 9. The Series 10 also has voice isolation and allows you to play music aloud on the speaker, unlike last year's model. If you're upgrading from the Series 9, these differences probably won't feel very stark. If you're currently using a Series 4, 5, or 6, they likely will. That bigger and brighter screen will be more noticeable, you'll gain access to new features, and you'll get watchOS updates for longer.